In this lecture, we will talk about the logarithm applications in physics. Basically, is about the how we are going to measure the loudness of sounds. You see, the loudness of sounds is measured in decibels, which is defined by logarithm function. Okay, and here it is D stands for decibels. Okay, like how loud the sound is, and then 10 times. Here's times logarithm function and I over I sub 0. I is the intensity of the sound. Intensity. Intensity of a sound. And I sub 0 is also the intensity of a sound, but I sub 0 is called very faint threshold sound. The meaning is that the minimum sound level an average person can hear. Okay, it's actually the minimum sound an average person can hear. Okay, so both I and I sub 0 are the intensity of sound, but I sub 0 is the minimum level. Okay, so it's defined by this way. We want to do two things. One is to find the level of the sound measured in decibel rating. If a sound having intensity 10,000 times the threshold. Another is if the sound has the intensity 2 times the threshold. And what is the loudness of sounds measured in decibel rating? So one is 10,000 times the threshold. The other is just twice as much as the threshold. Now, by this definition, we know then we shall have a D is 10 times log. Then you have 10,000 times the threshold divided by threshold. Okay. Then you can see that is you have those two can be cancelled. All right. So basically, you can do by using a calculator is 10 times log 10,000, and then you shall have the answer 10 times log 10,000. You divide it by that, you have 40. But actually, you know, we don't really need the calculator. Remember, here, log, we didn't write base, means base is 10, huh? And here, after 1, there are 4 zeros, so it's 10 to the 4th. Okay, and then, you know, this 4 can move down to the front, and log 10 log base 10 to the 10 is just 1, and then you times what? 10, so you have 40. So the answer is the same. Now let's look at B. B, you have a 10 times log, and the intensity this time is twice as much as the threshold. Again, you want to cancel that. So what you have will be 10 times log 2. Alright, now you know log 2 is what? Log 2 is 0.3010, and then this is going to be 3.010. You want to round it to the integer, so it's approximately 3 decibels. Okay, if you want to write here, you may write and here then is 3 decibels. Right? Okay, see you next time.